Hear it? Go my garage. But I'm back with another little small video. Today is the day we put the caddy back together. As y'all can see, I got my valve covers all painted up. Yep. We got the work going. We got the parts in. Got my lifters on the bench. My valves on the bench. You know, you gotta torque them on this bench first. You know what I'm saying? And I already torqued them and got them all right. We got our new distributor, new spark plugs, new lifters, soaking in the oil with the distributor, new push rods in there. We got our RTV ready. We got our gaskets. Put the RTV on them. You know what I'm saying? We at top dead center. And so we're gonna drop the distributor after we put this all in. Yes, man. I do this shit myself, man. You can't depend on people. Nobody out here, man. These motherfuckers out here be bums. They broke. These motherfuckers jealous. I don't want no jealous, broke motherfuckers fucking with my car, man. Especially if something wrong with your sick ass, nigga. Sick ass mechanics wanna come over here and work on the nigga shit, nigga. You ain't working on shit else of mine, nigga. I got this, boy. I do this shit myself. And I cleaned my engine out. You know what I'm saying? I used the motherfucking diesel gas, went in there, cleaned everything out, flushed this bitch about 3-4 times with the diesel, and went back with some fresh oil, man. Y'all should have seen that black shit that came up out of there. It was black. It only got 30,000 original miles on it. Like I said, I did all this work myself, man. No help. Niggas be scared of this shit, man. They ain't no shot finna rip me off. I got this. Painted my intake. Clean my carburetor up real good. You know what I'm saying? Everything ready to go, man. So I'm gonna bring y'all another video when I got it all put together. Y'all just stay with me, you know what I'm saying? Everything is in the process. That thing went on hold when I got this. So y'all know I had that blue golf cart. So when I seen this car on offer up, the guy said he wanted $3,000 or trade for an ATV. You know what I'm saying? So I showed him that blue golf cart I had that had the little ATV motor in it. He liked it, so we did a trade, straight up. He traded this Cadillac for that blue four-wheeler golf cart I had. Oh yeah. My other golf cart parked out there. My other go-kart, my red one. But I got everything, man. I just traded. It's just a trade. I traded a golf cart for this motherfucker. Hell yeah. But yeah, y'all stay tuned with me, man. And we all got it going. We got it going all up. Y'all see I had to replace this thing here. This was a bitch to find, but I found it and replaced it. And yeah. Video come, I'll be back. I had to fix this too. I couldn't find this sensor nowhere. So I had to do a gold moth garage on it to go inside of the engine. But we got it back in the building. I went to the AutoZone, O'Reilly's. I went everywhere trying to find that sensor. I think it's a oil pressure. It's a oil, some kind of sensors. I think it might be a oil temp sensor or something. I don't fucking know. But anyways, it goes on side of this block. And if it ain't in there, then the radiator fluid or something gonna come out of there. So I just had to fix the screw. The little prong came off the end. But yeah, man, we got new gaskets, new rubbers on the things, all this right here. Watch how quick I put this together, man. It's too easy. And I turned it over from the flywheel, you know what I'm saying? Because my cover for my flywheel and all that is off. So I just stuck a flathead and just turned it like that, you know what I'm saying? It's too easy. I'm gonna throw all of this back together, man. And I'll be back with another video showing y'all this motherfucker running and going. Go mouth out.